So the M1 iPad Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra are some of the best tablets to ever be created in the current market, and many people might look at both of these and wonder which one should you get. Well, my name is Francisco from Wondershare DrFone, and today we're going to be comparing these two devices. So let's dive right in. So we're just going to be making a pretty quick comparison in order to help you choose one a little more easily. So let's go ahead and talk about the build and the hardware. So both of these are built almost identically. They're both comprised of a slab of glass on the front and aluminum everywhere else. The buttons feel just as good on both of these, and they each feature quad speakers with the USB-C port for charging and data usage. Neither one has a headphone jack, and neither one really has any kind of water resistance as far as I know. So in terms of the build and the hardware, both of these are equals, and I can't easily choose one that would be better than the other, but I would probably say that the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra just feels more solid in hand than the iPad Pro does. Both are going to be very similar here. So in terms of their displays, they both have very different screens. The iPad offers a mini LED display that looks beautiful and aims for more natural colors. This display is automatically better for color accurate work, even if it already is really good for just about everything else. Now, the Tab S8 Ultra has a beautiful AMOLED display that looks absolutely beautiful. It's perfect for content consumption and gaming, which makes it a beautiful display for entertainment. It's a very large display too, which definitely contributes towards that. However, that makes this display unfit for color accurate work, and its natural setting only washes out the colors rather than making them look more neutral or actually natural. So I personally prefer the display on the iPad Pro, which it is going to be better for just about everything I would need to do on it, rather than just being better for one aspect, that being entertainment. But if you're not doing any kind of work on this tablet that requires accurate colors, then the Tab S8 has too good of a display, but my win has to go to the iPad here. Now, both of these are going to have fantastic speakers, and I would happily use both for either creative work or entertainment, which is why this is a pretty tough pick for me to make. However, I would say that the Tab S8 has better speakers. They have more depth than the iPads and even get louder as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about performance. So when it comes to daily tasks, both devices are far too good than they have any right to be. In normal tasks such as web browsing or taking notes, you have great devices that will get the job done almost equally. The extra screen real estate on the Tab S8 is very nice for multitasking in particular, but when it comes to gaming, the iPad Pro is the better device because of its inherent preference from many developers, though you can emulate games on the Tab S8, which is a great feature too, and it still runs games really well. Now, regarding video and photo editing, even drawing for artists, we have fantastic performance on both ends, but the apps that we get are very different, which will dictate which one you end up getting, which option will be better for you. If you need to get work done, then there is no doubt that the iPad Pro is the way to go here, because we have apps like LumaFusion, Procreate, Photoshop, etc. So it's not that the Tab S8 isn't capable, it's just that the apps are not there to truly take advantage of the hardware. So the iPad wins this round, and no, Photoshop Express doesn't really count. So when it comes to battery life, the Tab S8 Ultra wins hands down. We get around 6 to 8 hours with the M1 iPad Pro, over 9 hours usually with the Tab S8 Ultra, so I can't really ask for too much more. The Tab S8 Ultra is going to win when it comes to battery life here. So in conclusion, there's going to be really no overall better device, but just a device that's better for certain people. If your purpose is for entertainment, then the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is the way to go. That beautiful screen, amazing speakers, and giant display, along with the ability to emulate games, can't be beat. Heck, even if you're an artist, which you will have the amazing S Pen to contend with for drawing and taking notes. But if you need to get work done and need better colors along with the app support, then I have to recommend the iPad Pro, as this is just a better device for productivity. So comment any of your thoughts down below in the comment section and leave us a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this and ring that notification bell too. So with that said, until next time, enjoy.